Madam, you are aware that when this life business was nationalized in the year 1956, great expectation and great hopes were entertained by all members of parliament in the statement of objects and reasons relating to that measure. The finance minister stated that nationalization was necessary and even imperative to achieve the broad objectives of encouraging insurance business to take it to larger areas, including the rural areas, and to give greater returns to policyholders. We have to see after these few years of the working of this organization how far we have achieved these great objectives. In the past also, we may remember that many criticism has been made in regard to the working of this organization. Even the estimates committee has gone into this question and examined in detail the various aspects of the workings of this organization. That committee has made certain recommendations. Those recommendations are very important and I will advert to them shortly. Before I deal with them, I wish to make one point clear in spite of the various criticism and in spite of the various comments made in the House, in the press, and also through various organizations, the working of this organization has not been improved very much. The report which we are discussing today relates to the year 1966. Obviously, it is a very old document and a discussion on this report at this hour perhaps is too late. Nevertheless, a discussion is important if we keep in view some of the fundamental problems that are facing this organization. This report was submitted in November 1961, that is to say, some 9 months after the period of the working of this organization. I do not know why there should be such inordinate delay in submitting reports. Parajit, the report, madam, deals with various aspects. It does not bring out many things which ought to be properly brought out in a report of this kind. And while reading this report, I was not able to make out the working of this organization and to get a proper understanding of it. For that purpose, I have to depend upon their reports and other opinions expressed by various organizations this country, and thereby I have to gather information. That is why I have to suggest that the report should be comprehensive